Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to connect N8n with Google Drive step by step. You need an N8n instance, Google Cloud Project, and Google Drive API enabled. Decide whether to use OAuth credentials or a service account for authentication. Prepare a folder ID, a webhook URL, and the required drive scopes before you begin. I will explain creating credentials, assigning scopes, and granting access. Follow each action precisely to avoid permission errors. Keep an admin Google account ready for consent and open the Google Cloud Console and select your project to proceed. Enable the Google Drive API inside the APIs and Services dashboard. Create OAuth Client ID credentials or create a service account for server access. If using a service account, download the JSON key file to your computer. If using OAuth, copy the client ID and client secret values for N8n. Set the OAuth consent screen and include scope https://www.googleps.com/auth/drive for full drive access. Open N8n and add a Google Drive node to your workflow for file operations. In Node Credentials, select OAuth2 or Service Account and paste the JSON key or client ID and secret. Enter the target folder ID to scope file operations to a specific drive folder. Add a webhook or cron node to trigger uploads, downloads, or listing actions automatically. Save and execute the workflow to test file creation. Confirm the file appears in Google Drive and debug any permission or scope errors as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.